How does ICT affect your life, society, or track? ICT affect my life by modernizing things and making hard tasks a lot easier. Society depends on it and it keeps all of us secured and organized. Tracks are affected because tasks and subject-related tasks that requires things such as presentation will be easier.
How does ICT affect your lives, society, or tracks? ICT makes life easier by improving communication, learning, and daily tasks. It helps society by boosting economy, improving services, and connecting people. Though it can cause issues like misinformations. In school tracks, ICT supports learning by providing digital tools for research and technical skills such as making PubMats and the use of Google Classroom in our nowadays. Thank you.
How does ICT affect your life, society, or tracks? ICT affect my life by making it easier to learn new things online, having communication with my friends and family in case of emergency, can access information quickly, which also helps society by improving communication and making education more accessible for everyone.
How does ICT affect your lives, society, or tracks? By making our communication much easier because of the use of technologies.
ICT affects my daily life by improving communication and access to information. In society, it drives economic growth and through e-commerce and streamlined services like banking, emergency response. In school, it helps enhance learning through interactive tools and online resources.
How does ICT affect our lives, society, or tracks? Well, our lives revolve on the internet, especially our era nowadays. Simply put, ICT makes our lives easier and much more efficient. Without the technologies that we have now, we'll have to rely on conventional things like writing on paper to send messages, carrying cash always, and many more.